If I mention your name, and you be so addressing. Make me feel some address. Now, what do you think and what do you see? What shama you doing?
Ain't no year to 2 year 9 year to 2 year 9.
Send your German for the dress yo.
It's a German dressing.
Of course. When you German for dressing.
Hey,
I'm dressing my dress. Who dressing a dean by country dean by the war?
Make me the USA. United States of America.
Where you USA?
Sure.
Oh, sister, me patch one catchy. What catchy? Where is your gloves? Where is your scarf? What's those USA? USA. Where is your socks? Huh? Oh, leggings, no? Away. No, you don't know how to dress properly.
Where are you? US?
Where you dressing? Es tut mir ehrlich leid. Du kannst nicht gut nicht aussehen, wie ich aussehe. Verstehst du?
Hello.
Now one to me.
Na me who be someone to me. No be call the baby out one to me. And so I
Germany for more dressing. More dressing yefe.
Excuse me, me economy to me no na me cham. Man flow. Me no I want from the phone and the mouth. Come in view.
As I know bomb me kutu. The kutu na now. Yes.
Me bo kutu aje dia.
Mo dress me na monim dress.
Me so short when you Hannover hat no Straße 22 wo Eckersetia. Exakt hier. Ich wo in Deutschland.
Please.
Professor wo hier Deutschland vor Kassetia dia me menya Kassetia. Meine was ich jetzt gerade angezogen habe ist von Deutschland. Exakt. Na dia so na kwata kwa do bi.
Oh, me pastor.
E fa bo anyina chicha kwa do bi fa.
Don't touch me just like that. Oh, you are coming from here?
USA, United States of America.
Oh my God.
That's our dressing.
United States, shut up. When German is speaking.
Why you are coming?
I'm coming from Deutschland, Germany. Heidnerstraße 22, das ist woher ich komme gerade. Und weißt du was? Wo ich herkomme? Wir machen, guck mal unsere Schuhe.
Nein.
Guck mal unsere Stocken an. Guck mal, was ich jetzt gerade meine Hals. Hast du gesehen, was ich jetzt gerade habe?
Meine eyes.
I can't tell you, like, who they know, and yet, they're dressing, but I'm not dressing.
Eh, Nadia, c'est
ma chérie, le français.
Ma chérie Coco.
Ma chérie, attends, le 6 comme ça là-bas. Tu peux quoi? Mon ami? Maman, tu es si quoi là?
Hey, check my focus. I want to money. Don't go beat your mouth.
You too, you understand?
Mama, which country are you coming from? We are the France.
France. You come from
France.
To le monde. Mama Africa.
To le monde.
This great Mama Africa for me.
Okay.
France. You
Paris dressing.
Paris dressing.
It's very bad.
No.
This
Paris people, you don't know how to dress properly.
And you which country?
I'm from Germany.
Oh, bullshit, man.
Hey, don't bullshit my country.
Select and police.
You shouldn't bullshit my country. Was redest du denn da? Warum sagst du denn Deutschland?
Tu es très dégré.
Ja, ich.
Tu ne peux comprendre
Ich hab gesagt, was willst du denn machen? Was willst du denn machen mit deinen Eisen? Was willst du machen?
Tu es pays comme ça.
Hey!
What am I seeing?
Which country is this? Which country?
Daddy, where you Pakistan? Where you Pakistan?
Which country?
Not from where?
Okay. Wow.
You Holland.
Yeah.
You're here transit now. UK. Yeah.
UK dress like this?
Yes. Hey, my friend. Hey, my friend. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. Hey.
All your dressing is not nice. We the you
Frenchman will say contournement la part. This man, Frenchman will say contournement la part.
Excuse me, I'm leaving. I cannot stand here anymore because ich kann nicht hier standen. Ich gehe jetzt gerade. In Deutschland, ich kann nicht mit euch zusammen spielen.
You can say we are not leaving our country. We are not showing our country.
If your country Ghana, you have to wear slits and cover. Why is your
Let me tell you something. Canada. Brampton, Canada, Brampton. Brampton. I say hello. Britain. Hey, Canada, no me take. I don't show you.
talking to US girl like that?
Comme ça là-bas ici.